Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to fix Windows 11 startup problems. First, turn off your PC completely. Turn it on and as soon as you see the Windows logo, hold the power button to force shutdown. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. On the next boot, Windows will load the recovery screen automatically. When you see the Choose an Option screen, click Troubleshoot. Then click Advanced Options. From here, select Startup Repair. Choose your Windows account and enter your password if asked. Windows will now scan your system and try to fix startup problems automatically. This can take a few minutes. When it finishes, restart your PC and check if Windows loads normally. If Startup Repair does not fix the issue, go back to the recovery screen again. Click Troubleshoot, then select Reset this PC. Choose the option that says Keep My Files. This will remove apps but keep your personal data. On the next screen, select Cloud Download. This option downloads a fresh copy of Windows 11 from Microsoft servers. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Confirm the reset and let the process begin. Your PC will restart several times during this process. Once the reset is complete, set up Windows normally. This cloud rebuild often fixes deep system issues that Startup Repair cannot fix. Thanks for watching.